तो सबसे पहले आपका डॉल्फिना स्वागत है हमारी इस यू मीटिंग के ऊपर। तो आज इस मीटिंग के ऊपर हमारे साथ डॉल्फिना जी हैं जो कि आई थिंक सो महाराष्ट्र से हैं। इनका इंट्रोडक्शन भी पूछेंगे, इनकी क्वेरीज के बारे में पूछेंगे। तो आप बताइए थोड़ी क्या आपकी क्वेरी है, तो उसको हम फिर अभी सॉल्व करते हैं इस मीटिंग के थ्रू।
Okay, sir. So, like, I have completed my IELTS this year, 2019, 2020, all over 6 bands मिले थे ना सर मुझे एकेडमिक में। मैंने उसके लिए अप्लाई भी करी थी और लाइक अप्लाई की थी। अभी स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम चल रहा था उसका, एरास्मस प्रोग्राम का। तो सर कैसा हुआ था, मेरा एप्लीकेशन पुट हो गया था, मुझे कॉलेज से भी ऑफर आया था, बट वो मेरा जैसे आई एम अ टीचर प्रोफेशनली, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बीएड एंड विद माय बीएड।
ओके।
और मैंने लिटरेचर में ही मुझे आगे अपने स्टडीज परस्यू करना था।
ओके।
तो बट मेरे को वहां से आर्कियोलॉजी के कॉलेजेस से ऑफर्स आ रहे थे और वहाँ पे लाइक बीए के कॉलेजेस लाइक एक दो ही चुने गुने थे। और सर कैसा मेरा अभी लाइक लास्ट मंथ ही मेरा रिजल्ट आया है ग्रेजुएशन का।
नहीं,
तो फिर वो
फर्स्टली टेल मी व्हिच कंट्री यू गॉट द एडमिशन, फ्रॉम व्हिच कंट्री यू गॉट? Italy. Whether you applied the visa or not?
I applied, but that college people were like saying that we want your hard copy of the results. So just now I have received, so they were saying admissions are closed.
Okay,
so
okay.
we take your interview, we will tell you about this thing, but if you will not get give us like hard copy of that, so we cannot take you. So
Okay.
like for that, this year I have been gone for my.
From where you took our reference?
From Instagram.
Okay, from Instagram. How many days you are following us on the Instagram?
Yesterday.
Okay, you impressed by watching one video?
Like one of my friend was like going through the all immigration department things, so he have suggested your immigration, crown immigration.
You also,
so I was just going through, I was having one Patna once, crown immigration.
Okay.
So from that I got yours. I was going through that.
You watch our any video on our YouTube channel?
Yeah, I was going through some videos like you were giving talks, so I thought that you are the main one, so because everywhere you were the highlighted person, so I thought I should connect.
Can you give me some feedback about the videos, whether it is informative or it is only for normal?
Yeah, it was informative. Yeah, it was informative. Like I have searched, like for 1 year I was searching all the things related to visa, how to apply it, how to get the things. So I was just going through all the videos on YouTube and Insta. Like everything is now online, so it is very clear for us to get knowledge. So I was telling your information that it was accurate as whatever you have given me.
Before starting the discussion, you told me you did the IELTS with academic overall 6 band. Can you tell me the modules? There is each in 6 module, in 4 module or what?
No, and like I have received in reading 5.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is
and others I got 6.5 and 6 something. No.
Okay, very good. Then there is no problem. And I will ask some questions from you. Firstly, tell me your age.
I'm 23.
And about your 10th percentage.
I have received 66%.
From which board?
State board, Maharashtra. State board.
About 12th?
12 HSC, I have received 55 in science.
It is a PCM or PCB?
PCMB. Physics, chemistry, MB. Physics, chemistry, maths, bio, general science.
Super medical student.
But I have changed my stream, so I have taken arts in graduation.
Okay, now you completed your BA in humanities, BA in arts. Can you tell me your subjects?
English literature, compulsory English, compulsory Hindi, sociology, political.
It means you did the elective English. Okay, very good. And overall percentage in bachelor?
61.
61.
No, sorry, 71. Sorry, 71.
You are only looking for Italy, or you are also looking for another
No,
country?
sir. I was looking for Italy because like where I have did my IELTS, so they have suggested us that the program is going on, so they have given you a good opportunity. You can grab it and all. So like I was first of all I was for Portugal, to be very frank. But I got a news from our consultancy that from India Portugal visa is impossible.
No.
They were saying
No. Portugal for student there is no any problem. And you are from Mumbai itself, they are welcoming you if you will put your application there as a student. But if you will put your application in Italy, then it is your luck. They will not give it.
yeah. Like one of my friend is like she have got received all the things from the college. She also was continuing with me. She's engineer, and she got a approval letter from the college, and like in November or December she is going to be flying.
Okay. From which country? Italy or Portugal?
Italy, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, Italy.
And you also told me you are professionally teacher.
Yes, sir.
You also did the B.Ed, Bachelor in Education, something?
D.Ed, Diploma in Education.
Okay.
Now I'm doing B.Ed, Bachelor's in Education.
And about your financial, you are looking for economical country, or what is your budget or something? Yearly
so it's
fees
like,
you can afford.
Pardon, sir?
I'm saying how much fees you can afford in Indian rupees. You will tell me if you have like that.
So it will be less than 4 lakhs. It
Per
should
year.
be less than 4 lakhs
Per year. We have a lot of options as per your requirement. I will suggest many of the country, even in that country, fees is also less from 4 lakhs. Okay. Firstly, you are looking for Portugal. That is not a problem. In Portugal, you can get the admissions in public universities there, and the fees will start from 3,000 euro to 7,000 euro. But as per your program, the fees will be approx 4,000 euro. It will be a 350 per year. Okay.
So like public one, they require Portuguese language.
No. There is no any proficiency of Portuguese language, since entire study will be in English. Your master degree.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the first option for you. Even second option I can suggest you, if Germany. In Germany, you will get a free study in public universities.
Okay.
And visa rate is very high. They are never ever decline like your profile. If you will put your application for visa there, if you will get the admissions there from public university, if you have a 71% MBA.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, but in Germany there is you need to open a blogged account. You know about the blogged account?
No, something new it is. I should note down it.
It is like that you need to bring your living expenses with you.
Okay. Like I have to secure 10 lakhs in my account.
Yes, 9 lakhs approximately. Yes. You need to only that is the problem. If you can afford that 10 lakh 10,500 euro.
Show fund. That is known as show fund, right?
No, this show fund is like that you will withdraw that amount, but it is not a show fund. You need to blog it. You can withdraw this money while you will reach in Germany, and per month you can withdraw like 800 euro something.
Okay.
If you can afford to Germany, we are giving the second preference to you. Thereafter, we have another country name is Slovenia. It is also a Schengen country.
Now it have been considered to that Schengen country.
Yeah, Schengen country.
Okay.
It is Schengen country. I'm telling. The fees will start from 3,000 euro. Even we have a Lithuania. The fees the fees will start from 2,500 euro onward per year. It is also a Schengen country.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Even we have the Latvia. The Latvia fees is also like 3,000 euro per year. And we have many of the countries. If you can afford a much budget, so then we can put your application in Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Netherlands. But these countries are very expensive. The fees will start from 9,000 euro per year. If you can afford, we can put there also.
Okay.
Yes. Anything else, Delphina?
So like if I'm going through the visiting visa, what are the criteria I have to
Visiting
fulfill?
visa, as per your profile, it is very negligible chances. And there is no any options you will change it. Only you can change it in Portugal, but the chances for visa is very negligible. Only it is your luck.
Okay. And what about the Portugal one? If I'm going for the study visa over there,
it is very good option. I told you the fees will start from 3,000.
So like I don't like I should not face a rejection problem over there.
Listen,
because I got a myth of that rejections are very.
Listen. I am a consultant. I am not a visa officer. Firstly, there is no there is no any guarantee and warranty about the visa. This should always in your mind. If today I will apply the visa of my daughter or my son, so I also never ever give the guarantee to them. This is the fact. But it is my experience. It is my experience. Whatsoever country I have suggested, you can apply at your own also. You have a more than 95% chances you will get the visa. But if you will tell me, sir, I will only register with you if you will give me the guarantee or warranty, then I will tell, okay, leave me. Please take the service of anyone from Mumbai. You are calling me from Mumbai. I am in Punjab, in Jalandhar. I am telling the truth to every person. Either he or she will take my service or not.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Okay. No, like whatever knowledge I'm having, I just cleared my doubt with you, with related to college and all, right?
Anytime you can text me on the same WhatsApp that is directly accessed by me. If you have any doubt for any country, whenever you want to apply, you can contact me. Since Genentech is available whatsoever country I told you.
So Genentech for my course it is available?
Yes, I will check it where we have.
You should like few examples related to college. If you will give me, then I will be like very conscious about it.
I will send you on the WhatsApp about the Portugal, which program we have in Genentech, which universities we have in Genentech.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And what about the
What about?
Yeah. And what about the Germany one? Same thing you said, no?
Yeah, Germany, I will also send the options for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Delphina. Anything else?
No, sir, this much only. Like everywhere I'm getting the same thing. Something new I was expecting from your side.
Means that you are also getting the same feedback from another agents whatsoever given to you.
Yeah, I said no, I was doing for like Italy. So our sir also have given us the same thing, like for Germany, like not for Portugal, because from your side only I'm getting the good vibes from Portugal.
Portugal, like I have given, if any consultant either in India or any country give these type of options, I will strongly recommend you will proceed your application from that consultant. We have a lot of options. We are dealing with more than 100 countries.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyhow, okay, then we will close this Zoom meeting, and thanks for coming on this our channel. Thank you, Delphina. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.